I'm getting ready. I'm so excited for the new year. I have to say 2017 has been a good year. You know, this has been one of our better years. Good old MAC Spike and some concealer. This one is Pro Longwear by MAC. This is my holy grail. That's what I've been using for years. I went through so many different concealers. Back in the day, I used to use these type of concealers. They were just so thick and they didn't blend out well. But once I found out about the MAC Pro, I never looked back. Never went back.
Give me that, give me that, give me that. Pretty face, pretty baby. You're the only one that's driving me crazy. Oh, 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 oh. In case you need saving. Got a whole heart that's yours for the taking. Oh, oh. Burning summertime, you're like fire. In the midnight winter sky, you're all or nothing.
I'm grabbing for my Too Faced. I really wanted my new palette, but that's downstairs. So I'll grab it and pack it up to go. So I'm just going to use this palette. But I'm just using a transition of brown mousse. This is called mousse. And I'm just going to put it into my crease really quickly. Okay, that's about all I'm gonna do for the eyes. I literally just put on a brown in the crease, and then I went back in with this little brownie color called Peanut Butter and put that on my lids. Lashes on, and then I have some, oh no, not these. I have some lashes like this, but they're half. They're not as long. They're about this long right here. And I'm just going to pop some on. And that's going to be my makeup. And then I'm going to put on my tinted moisturizer. Yep. Maybe I won't even put lashes on. Maybe I'll just leave my own lash on.
You're the reason that I, you're the window. You're the reason I'm high. Oh, oh, oh. Pretty baby, you're the only one that's driving me crazy. Oh, oh.
I'm done with makeup. I'm done. I'm not doing all that. I'm gonna put on some highlight. I love wearing my highlight, and then some blush, and I'll be done. Where's my highlight? I'm gonna put on some really sparkly. This is my Artistry Couture. So that's what I'm just gonna put on. It's so magical. Look at that. Oh! Look at that highlight, girl. Look at that. Love it. Love it. And that's why I don't be putting too much makeup, because you can just put highlight and look like you got a full face, full beat on. And to tone it down, I just go back over with my beauty blender and just tone it down a little bit. I should have put my blush on first. Let's see. I'll just use this Tarte palette, and I'll just use this little light pinky blush.
Can you give me those eyes? You tell me you're hooked. I tell you you're mine. Fighting makeup till everything is alright. Give me that, give me that, give me that. Pretty face, pretty face, pretty face.